How to make Bulgarian meatballs. That's my favorite Bulgarian dish, and probably it's the favorite dish for many Bulgarians. What about you? Do you like it? Hello?
Oh, me? Yes, I like it.
Okay, so what do we need? We need a slice of bread soaked in water. You can soak it in milk as well if you want. So as you see, it's like a sponge now. And I need to take the excess water out of it, literally. Can make a little messy stuff again. If there is little water, that's fine. So I need, I have gloves, but I'm still dealing with my hands. For chopped onion, you can use white. I prefer red one. Put inside. Parsley. You can put more parsley or another herb. Okay, I think that will be messy now. 1 egg. No eggshells. And we need mince. So we have 2 types of mince. That's a little strange. Meow. 2 types of mince, as you can see, pork. And what's that one? Beef. That's it. So we need like 60 to 40. And with the rest of the beef, I'll show you what else you can do. So I will add the whole thing here, approximately. So if this is 500 grams, how much do I need to add from this one? 40 to 60. I don't know. I'll just half of it. I'll just add the half of it. No paper.
Whatever looks right.
Yeah. It changes the taste. But you know what? I'll just leave for what I'm doing after that. Okay, so I have this thing, mixing everything together. Ask me, why do I need the gloves?
Why do you need the gloves?
Because I was thinking to use them. Obviously
You like
not.
the option of using gloves?
Yeah, I like that option. Excuse the distraction, the noise made from my cat.
He's upset.
Okay, so we are making nice mixture. Feeling it? Right, and now we need to season this. Okay, I don't have a spoon. You see, I forgot the spoon. Never mind. I'll use it this way.
Spoon break.
Spoon break. No. So it's like, what's that? Teaspoon salt, something like that. You can season. Black pepper and cumin. We didn't say in Bulgarian the ingredients. So cumin in Bulgarian is kimion. Black pepper, черен piper. Salt, of course, you know, salt. Mince, how is mince in Bulgarian? Kaima. And pork mince is svinska kaima. And beef mince is teleshka kaima. We know about the egg is яйце. What else did I put? Chlap. A slice of bread. ФИлия chlap. ФИлия chlap. That's it. And I'm mixing very well.
Parsley.
Magdanos. Onion. Look. Well, we say kromit. Yeah, it's kromit. because look is the word we use for two different types of look, which is chromit. This is chromit look, and the other one is garlic. So we say chestnut look. We don't use chestnut look now. We use chromit. And this looks pretty good to me. So I need to leave it to rest for a little bit. And I'll show you what we are doing with the rest of the mince. With the rest of the beef mince, teleshka kaima, we are going to make this lovely snack, which we call princesi, which is the same word for, you know, princess from the royal family, princess. I don't know why we call them this way. Do you know?
I'm not sure.
So we use soft butter. It's not very soft and the bread is not helping me at all, but we need to spread the butter. Мажем масло. Мажа, spread. Well, what I'm doing exactly is МАЖА, ФИлия, МАСЛО. How do you translate this in English?
Spreading butter on bread.
A slice of bread. Okay, that's quite thick. It doesn't matter. So spreading the butter, мажем масло. And this is so delicious. And as you see, you can make it very quickly. So I'm done with the butter using my lovely hands. I'm just spreading, probably I need another one, but I'll do this one. Spreading the mince. Why is this making that noise? Spreading the mince. You see, you can put less or more, depends if you are a very meaty person or not. So spreading the mince. I can use the rest to my cat. Okay. Mince. So this is how we make this princesi. And now I need to season a little bit. I'll just add a little bit salt. So, and that's it. I don't like black pepper using here. And that's it. And now we are going to the oven. We use a baking tray, small baking tray, ТАВА за печене, and of course foil if we are lazy and don't want to wash the tray. Folio za pečene. Our princesi ready to go into the oven. And how is oven in Bulgarian?
Furna.
Furna. So we'll put this on the top like that, kind of using the top heating, whatever, I don't know how you know, 200, what's that, between like 200 and you can put it on 250, but you can burn them. 20 minutes, maybe that's too much. Let's see, just keep an eye on them, and that's it. Our pan is ready. The pan, tigan, and you can see there is oil, like, how much is that? Like oil.
A lot of oil.
A lot of oil, okay. Heating, not on the strongest one. And I'm making a meatball, so making a meatball, waiting for this, and then place it in the pan. And then I'm doing the same with the rest and frying them. And basically that's it, how we are doing the meatballs. You can see, you can hear the noise. Okay, the moment of the truth. So we have our princessi ready, and let's taste them. Baked. Is. So we say is pečeni. Whatever. This bread is not really for the knife. Make the problems with the knife. And you can have a napkin if you want. Ketchup. Okay. It's the same. Ketchup. Ketchup. Try that one.
Which one?
What?
Oh.
How is it?
It's really good.
You can't say it's not good.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Just like old times.
You can have beer or red wine with this. Enjoy. The next one, our meatballs. Did we say that's kufeta?
Kufeta.
Oops. Kufeta. I love them. Help yourself. We don't have anything for drinking.
No. They're juicy.
Yes, they are.
And fluffy.
Okay, just and fluffy. So now you have more Bulgarian dishes you can make and you can try. They are so easy and very delicious. But with this, we usually have salad as well. Salad next time.
Or fries.
Yeah.
Пържени картофи.
Not very healthy.
No.
Yeah.
But it has cheese on top.
So as you can see, it's very easy. Piece of cake. You can make them for a very short time when you're very hungry, coming back from work. And if you're wondering what you can make to eat, something that can be done very quickly, you see, this is really very quickly. I hope you enjoy it. And leave your comments down below. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so I think today we are more meaty on the meat side. So try it. It's very easy. You see, it's basically a piece of cake to make them.
Or a piece of meat.
Even if you have a cat.
It's a treat for everyone.
I mean, even if you have a cat who is what's that? Making noises.
Upset.
Yeah.
Being a little hurricane.
Okay.
Oh,